In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import sales invoices into Xero. If you're a business owner or accountant, you know how crucial it is to keep your financial records up to date and accurate. Importing your sales invoices into Xero is a fantastic way to streamline your accounting process, save time, and reduce manual entry errors. Let's dive into it and walk through the entire process so you can do this efficiently. To begin, when you first log into Xero, look towards the top bar of your dashboard and you'll see the Sales tab. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. From the options provided, you'll want to select Invoices. This will redirect you to a list of your current invoices. Don't worry if it looks overwhelming at first. Xero's interface is pretty user-friendly once you get the hang of it. At the top of this list of invoices, you'll notice there's an Import button waiting for you. Give that a click. This button is your gateway to streamlining your invoice management. Once you've clicked it, Xero will guide you through their specific process for importing invoices. The first thing you need to do is download Xero's invoice template. This template is crucial because it's formatted specifically for Xero, ensuring that all your data gets where it needs to go without a hitch. So take a moment to download and review it. It's a spreadsheet format, and if you're familiar with programs like Excel or Google Sheets, you should feel quite comfortable with it. Now, it's time to prepare your invoices. Open up your own records and start copying your invoice details into the downloaded template. Make sure you match each column with the correct data. This step is vital for ensuring the import is successful. It's important to double-check your entries here. The accuracy of this data will affect how it's recorded within Xero, so take your time. Once your information is neatly copied over, save the updated template file. It's important it remains in the same format as the downloaded template, so be cautious not to alter the file type when saving. Head back into Xero, and you'll return to the import screen. Now it's time to bring your updated file into Xero. Click on the Import button once more, but this time you'll be selecting your prepared template to upload. After you've uploaded the file, you'll need to click Import again to finalize the process. And just like that, you're done. Your sales invoices have been successfully imported into Xero. Congratulations on taking this step to enhance your financial management. And there you have it. Importing sales invoices into Xero doesn't have to be a chore. It's a straightforward process that, once familiar, will save you tons of time and effort. So follow these steps whenever you need to update your records, ensuring your business accounts stay current and accurate. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting!